So this is our room. This is the view. We can see the Ferris wheel. Then our bathroom. We got a shower and a bath. Got fries, a chocolate shake, and grilled cheese. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Vegas with my sister. We came here yesterday, which was Friday, and then we went to Dre's, saw Juicy J. It was a lot of fun. Tonight we're gonna either go see Ludacris or Rick Ross or both. Tomorrow we're gonna go to the club again, and so yeah, here's my vlog. Hope you like it.